Here at Active Therapy Clinic, we use the latest technology to aid and assist our diagnosis and treatment of your foot, knee, back and hip pain. We offer a bespoke, custom-made orthotic service utilising Footscan technology. Our pressure plate system has over 8,000 sensors to capture and analyse your data. This gives us information that just cannot be seen with the human eye. We are one of the only clinics in the UK with this technology. We can use this for analysis in standing, walking, running and specific tasks such as squatting or swinging a golf club. This unique system then allows us to build a bespoke orthotic specific for your needs based on real-time dynamic data. Our orthotics are 3D printed at the largest 3D print lab in the world. This also means if an orthotic gets lost or you wanted a second pair, we can order an exact replica. Orthotics aren't just for foot pain, they can help with an array of conditions and also work well as a proactive measure to prevent injury and optimise efficiency. If you'd like to talk to us more about a bespoke orthotic, drop us an email or give us a call.